All right, well, this is Hurricane Irene, and I don't know if you can see the rain in the video, but it's definitely coming down, and it's just really cascading off the barn there, and the trees are swirling around a fair amount. Doesn't look like it too much right this moment, but we periodically get gusts and they really dance. So we're hoping this tree survives because it gives us such nice shade in our front yard. We have lost power at this point, and I think it's about 2:45 in the afternoon, so the brunt of the storm isn't here yet. And you can see our little kitty cat friends have taken shelter on the porch, and I think they would really like it if they could come in. Hi, Mr. Alberto. Kitty cat. Hi there. Yeah. Oh, hello. And there's his partner in crime, Marvin, aka Robert Redford. And then Junior over here is just sticking with his chair because why should he move? He's got a nice spot there. Yeah. So that's it for now. Aside from not having power, we're doing okay.